Hello again. I'm Greta von Farfen-Nugen. This is the last video with little to no audio due to our mics going out. Thanks for putting up with it. After a wonderful night's sleep at the Fairview Inn and Suites in downtown Calgary, we got up and got ready to head out on another rainy day. After checking the official Michelle moisture meter, they were informed that eventually the rain will stop. As they were getting ready to leave, Thumper was hopping around, one of the biggest rabbits they have ever seen. The hotel was very accommodating to motorcycles. They insisted they stay under the building, which was so nice since it rained all night. After dropping their luggage off at the hotel, off they went exploring for the day. First stop was Surprise Corner.
Surprise!
Across the river you could see the 1888 Banff Hotel. They accidentally went there first thinking that was their hotel. There was a Canada Day parade in downtown Banff, and they couldn't get checked into their hotel until 6 p.m. that night. Johnston Canyon is a popular hiking destination in Banff National Park. The canyon was carved by thousands of years of water erosion into limestone bedrock, creating waterfalls, pools, and tunnels. Johnston Corner was a neat little stop. Lots of hiking here. You could spend a lot of time here if you wanted to. The mountain was named in 1858 by James Hector for its castle-like appearance. From 1946 to 1979, it was known as Mount Eisenhower in honor of the World War II General Dwight D. Eisenhower. Public pressure caused its original name to be restored, but a pinnacle on the southeastern side of the mountain was named Eisenhower Tower. Located nearby are the remains of Silver City, a 19th century mining settlement, and the Castle Mountain internment camp in which persons deemed enemy aliens and suspected enemy sympathizers were confined during World War I. Lake Louise is a hamlet in Banff National Park in the Canadian Rockies, known for its turquoise, glacier-fed lake ringed by high peaks and overlooked by a stately chateau. They had a special place for motorcycle parking and separate parking for RVs. Something fun. When people have you take their picture with their camera, take a selfie with it first before taking their picture. This is where Ryan flew his drone into the trees. He didn't think about while flying towards Castle Mountain that the slope went up, oopsie poopsie. Luckily, due to his excellent piloting skills, he recovered it. Brandon said that it was a big no for him going out there and climbing a tree to get it. There's something humbling about mountains. They rise defiantly against the sky, ancient and eternal, as though they've been watching over the earth since time began. Pictures and videos try to capture their grandeur, but the soul of a mountain is only truly felt when you stand before one. The Canadian Rockies stretched out in all directions, a labyrinth of peaks and valleys, each with its own story written in stone. Rivers snake through the gorges, their waters glinting like liquid silver.
Well, here we are in day 4. Made it to Banff this morning and the weather finally broke up and we have pretty good skies. We visited Johnston Canyon today, rode up 1A to Lake Louise. We tried to get into Moraine Lake. There's a lodge there, and it's closed only for guests. We tried getting in and trying to tell them our wives were up there. It didn't work because they wanted to see it, but oh well. Now we're heading back to the Back Swamp Viewpoint in Banff, and then there's a parade, Canada Day parade happening on Canada right along a street of our hotel, which means we can't get into the hotel until like 6:30 tonight. So that's fine. They let us drop all our gear off and get rid of it. So we've been riding around a lot lighter bikes today with no gear, which has been great. And then we'll just making our way back, dragging our feet, trying to delay getting there, and then we can check in and change and then go walk around Banff and check out the town. So it's been a great day. A lot of beauty out here. Really, a lot of beautiful scenery. Saw an elk earlier, and I haven't seen any bear yet. Love to see some bear, but I guess eventually not. But it's actually been kind of cool because a lot of the places today that you'd normally pay, you got in free because it's Canada Day. Canada! So we've gotten in free a lot of these places. That's just been really cool. We've gotten a lot of tips too of things to see. Like now tomorrow we've added some things we get to see before we get up to Jasper Hinton. Wow, look at that. I hope this camera's picking that up. Man, that's beautiful. Wow. We took the drone up today over by Johnston in a little, it wasn't, we weren't, I don't know how that works, if we're in a national park all over this area or not, but it permitted me to take off, and usually they won't if you're in a national park or whatever. So And I was flying up towards the mountains, and I didn't really think about trying to see how close I could get to the mountain without realizing that the mountain starts to go up.
Let me tell you why I suck.
And the drone got pretty well into the trees, and I don't know how I recovered it, but I was able to recover the drone and get it out of the trees, and it was like 3,500 feet away from me. Like, I couldn't, all I was doing was on the screen trying to get it out of there, and somehow I did it, and only 2 of the blades got chipped. 2 of the very tips of the blades got a little nick out of them, but it flew fine. We were so lucky, or I was so lucky, because Brandon said he's not, we're buddies, but we probably wouldn't be buddies, because I thought a buddy would go get it.
Buddy.
I don't know if the camera's picking up all this yellow. I don't know if that's pollen or what the heck that is. I don't have any allergies to pollen, but that's what it seems like, but I'm not sure what all that yellow haze is. We've driven through it a couple times, and I don't know. Might be something I'm missing. Hey, look, there's Brandon.
Dun 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 dun.
What's up, B-Dog? Oh, he can't hear me. So, I don't really have anything else to say for now. That's our update for today. It hasn't been too exciting. We stopped at Harley Davidson in Banff and got a shirt and a poker chip. And had trouble finding our hotel this morning because we had, for some reason, 3 different hotels on the route that I planned with a GPX file. So we went to this first one that was like a castle. Then we went to another one that was called like the Mount Royale. And then we finally found our Banff Inn, which is actually a really beautiful hotel. It's really nice. And they have a hot tub. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to sign off for now. Bye.
We look to the mountains. We don't care if it's only a dream. Nothing is really what it seems anyway.